Hey everyone, welcome to a quick overview of Ketch's data map powered by the Ketch Agent Network. We're going to dive right in today and focus on the Insights panel. So let's jump into a system. The Insights panel is a tool that you will not find in any other platform, and it's created by the Ketch Agent Network all behind the scenes with the goal of making the invisible into something that is visible and also actionable. As we all know, a struggle with data maps is not having clear visibility into what is working or what is happening. So the insights aim to solve that. And at a high level, these insights are created by agents comparing data across three categories: legal obligations, what you should do, documented policies, what you say you do, and then the last one is operational reality, and that's what you're actually doing in your Ketch environment. So as you can see, the agents have identified 16 different insights that the user needs to place action on. And let's jump into one of these so we can dig in a little deeper. Let's check out this one where Braze is missing from a DSAR workflow. Now that we're in an insight, there's some key information I want to cover. At the very top, you get an about section, which is explaining why this insight was created. Clearly, it's about Braze storing personal data, but it's not part of any DSAR workflows. If we move down, users can take actions directly from this pane as well. You can go here, you can tag a user and say, hey, this needs to be completed, this workflow needs to be updated. And then at the bottom, we talk about what regulators expect to see, what your configuration says, what was observed, and recommended next steps. Check out more at ketch.com.